What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. So most college students are focused on passing classes. I'm trying to build a startup before I graduate. And some days, I don't know if that's crazy or that's brave. This is Tasktix, a productivity app my team and I are building during my senior year of computer science. And this is what it actually looks like trying to build something real while still being a student. If you're in computer science, you know this already. Algorithms don't care about your dreams. Deadlines don't slow down because you're tired. And imposter syndrome, it hits hard. There were semesters where I barely survived classes. I even dropped an algorithms class once because I wasn't ready. And now I'm here, trying to graduate in 2026, while also building a product. That's not the typical route. Most people just focus on school. But I didn't want to graduate and then start building. I wanted to start now. I've always loved creating things. YouTube, apps, ideas, projects. But Tasktix feels different. This isn't just a class assignment. This is something I can actually want to exist in the world. It started as a capstone project, but I don't see it as just school. I see it as, what if this works? What if this becomes something real? What if I don't wait until I have permission to build? Nobody talks about this part. When you're building something while in college, you feel like you're living two lives. During the day, you're a student. You're thinking about assignments, attending meetings, checking your grades. And then at night, you're like a founder mindset. You're thinking about features, GitHub issues, accessibility fixes, WCAG compliance, pull requests, and sometimes it's overwhelming. Sometimes I question if I'm spreading myself too thin. But then I remember, I'd rather struggle building something meaningful than be comfortable doing nothing. This is the part they don't talk about. Building a startup is not glamorous. It's code reviews, merge conflicts, lighthouse audits, fixing failing tests at 1 a.m. It's learning how to communicate better. It's learning how to lead without ego. It's learning how to take feedback without taking it personally. And honestly, that growth is more valuable than any lecture I've sat in. I'm not saying I have it figured out. I'm not saying Tasktix will become the next big thing. I'm just saying, if you're in college and you have an idea, start. Just do us a favor and start. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need funding. You don't need to feel ready, but you do need momentum. And momentum only comes from building. I used to just say, I'm a computer science student, but now I'm a builder, a developer, a creator, someone willing to try. That shift changed everything, because once you see yourself as someone who builds, you stop waiting. So if Tasktix fails, I'll still graduate, I'll still get a job, but I'll know that I tried. And that matters to me more than playing it safe. So yeah, I'm building a startup while still in college, and we'll see where it goes. If you're building something too, keep going, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.